हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल DSA अनलॉक्ड। आज हम लोग स्ट्रिंग के प्लेलिस्ट का 4th वीडियो करेंगे विच इज़ काउंट एंड से। विल सी। सो प्रोग्राम शुरू करने से पहले आज का कोड देख लेते हैं। सो आज का कोड है ड्रीम बिग, स्टार्ट स्मॉल, एक्ट नाउ। हम लोग को बड़ा सपना देखना चाहिए, छोटे से शुरुआत करना है। इतना बड़ा सा नहीं कि दिन में 10-15 प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। एक से शुरुआत करते हैं, एक प्रॉब्लम दिन में सॉल्व करते हैं। अगर हम लोग एक भी प्रॉब्लम दिन में सॉल्व करते हैं, पूरे साल में 365 366 फॉर द लीप ईयर विल सॉल्व दोज मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स। सो इट्स बेटर स्टार्ट नाउ itself, start today itself. So yeah, we'll write the program. The question count and say LeetCode number 38. So what it is says, count and say 1 will be 1, and count and say n is the round length encoding of count and say n minus 1. Let's n is given as 4. So first for 1 it will be 1. Count and say what it indicate. First we'll count the number. If here it is 1, so what will for 2 what will say, how will count it? 1 1, so the 2 n equal to 2 will be double 1. Okay, I'll show you in example. I will write it how we will do this. So the question is this one. We have to find n equal to 4, which will return 1 2 1 1. We'll see how it is doing that. Okay, so here the input is 4 and output is 1 2 1 1. So first of all we have to assign it. For 1 it will be 1. It's result. I'm taking one variable, result equal to 1 in a string format. Now here n is given 4. We have to take 1 2 3 4 times, right? So how it is coming? 1 2 1 1. We'll say that for 1 it is coming 1. The question itself has been given 1 equal to 1. We'll go for 2. So what will count? This 1 1. I mean here 1 is present one time. Count 1 time and the value is 1. So we'll say, can we say it as 1 and 1 like this? For 2, for n equal to 2, we'll say it as count. We'll count it. How many times 1 is present? Only 1 times 1. And what is the value? We'll say it, which is 1. We'll same do for n equal to 3. N equal to 3, we'll count now. 1 1. So this is 1 1 present is 2 times. The count will be 2 and the value is 1. Did you understand? Now we'll do n equal to 4. 2 how many times is present? Only 1 time. So 1, the value is 2. And next 1 time, the value is 1. You can see the output is 1 2 1 1. Here the output is 1 2 1 1. We match it. So now we'll do it how in code we will write it. Okay, so we'll take first of all we have to define this as in string result equal to 1. So 1 is already defined, so we'll take from 2. n we'll take from 2 to n. Okay, so we'll run a loop which will be start from 2 to n. Okay, and we'll take one empty string and the count, obviously we'll keep the count will keep 1 because anything it will be 1 time. 2 1 1 1. First will 1, then if that value is present more than once we'll increase the count. So one more loop will run in this result. When n is 2, it will loop it will run the loop for how many times 1 is present, how many times 2 is present. For that, let j equal to 1 to j is less than equal to result dot length. We'll check the condition. If result we have taken from 1, means 0th position, 1th position, so we'll take from 1. We'll check result of j is equal to result of j minus 1. If 1 and 1, these two are same, first we are going with 2. If both are same, then we'll increase the count. If not, else we'll store that variable. I mean, if 1 1 we already count, the count is already done. Then current, we have taken one string, right? Current plus equal to count. First we'll do the count, right? Count plus, we'll say it. Say means the result of length j minus 1, which will be this one. If we will go here, then this one. Result of j minus 1. Here we will reset the count equal to 1, and we'll store the, so here now we'll store the current value equal to result value, and I will return the result. Okay, so now we'll do the coding. So we'll write the code now. Let result, will define it, result equal to 1 for, we'll run a loop 1 to n, let I equal to 2. Already 1 is present, from 2 will start. I is less than equal to n, I plus plus. Let current value, will take one string and count equal to 1. For let j equal to 1, why will take from 1? Because we have to check the previous one, that's why previous means 0th index, so I'm taking from 1. Result dot length. In this loop we'll check the each result. I plus plus means for 1 what is the result, for 2 what will be the result. Okay, now we'll put if condition, if result of j equal to, we'll check the previous value j minus 1. If both are same, then we'll increase the count. Else, if both are not same, then we'll keep it in current value. We'll first count, then say it. Say what will be the value, then it is result of j minus 1. We'll reassign the count value to 1. once this loop ends, we'll assign result equal to car, because when the current value will, let's say I'm doing it for 2, the current value will be 1. Now it will happen with result, not happen, it will replace the value of result. Then the loop will begin from 3 to, now 2 has been done, 3 to n. Then the result will start from the, let's 1 and it the loop will go to result less than equal to result dot length. So it will be like this and it will return the result. So we are not taking any space, so the space complexity will be of 1, and the time complexity, it is growing exponentially, means less than bit exponentially, because here it is 1 length, here it is 2, again it is 2, here it is 4, again the next one will be also 4. So it is going increasing by 1.3 factor. So the time complexity will be 1.3 to the power n. Okay, we'll run it and we'll see. Oh yeah, what is the issue? Oh here, sorry. Now it got succeeded. We'll submit it. Yeah, it's working now.